I'm gonna be showing you how to create this look. I'm about to leave in a few minutes. So this is the look I came up with. I'm using one of my favorite palettes, the chocolate bar, of course. If you guys don't have this palette, you definitely need it. So yeah, if you guys want to see me create this look, go ahead and stay tuned and keep on watching. And it was pretty easy and I really like the way it turned out. So yeah, if you guys want to see, go ahead and stay tuned and keep on watching. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Okay you guys, so I'm going to start off with the Makeup Forever Velvet Matte Foundation. I'm just going to apply this all over my face and I'm going to go in with my beauty blender to blend it all in. And just blend, blend, blend. Now for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take this one from BH Cosmetics. It's the Studio Pro Concealer. And I'm going to use this to cover my dark circles and also use this to cover any blemishes. I believe this is shade 113. It has a bit of a peach undertone, so it helps to cover the dark circles pretty good. Now I'm going to take this Maybelline Dream Lumi and I'm going to use this to highlight the high points of my face and go back in with that beauty blender and make sure it's nice and blended with the rest of my face so you can see, you know, where it begins and where it ends. So just blend, blend, blend. Now to set my under eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take my RCMA No Color Powder and I'm just going to set my under eyes and any areas where I applied the concealer. Gotta carve those cheekbones and I'm just going to dust it off. Now for my brows, I'm taking this Anastasia brow powder and this is in the shade dark brown. I'm just using this Makeup Geek brow brush to apply the powder and fill in any gaps in my brows. Now I'm going to take this bronzer from the BALM and I'm just going to apply this to contour my cheekbones and the rest of my face. I'm also going to use this to kind of contour my nose a bit using a smaller brush. This brush has more of an angle, so it's perfect to kind of just drag it along the nose. Now for blush, I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics Quad and I'm just using that corner shade. It's more of a peachy, has a peach undertone to it. Now for my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and start with the chocolate bar palette, the original chocolate bar. And I'm going to put that shade in the crease as my transition shade. And I'm going to move on to that brownish color and apply that to the inner part of my crease. Now I'm going to take this burgundy color and I'm going to intensify the crease a little bit more. I'm using a smaller brush to make sure it stays within the crease. I don't want it to go up too high. And I'm just blending it inwards. Now I'm going to take this corner, sorry guys, I don't have the palette in front of me so I can't really tell you the names, but it's the corner shadow. I'm just going to put that on all over my lid. Make sure it's packed on pretty good. Now I'm going to take this, it's like almost a black, but it's not quite black. It's a really dark brown. And I'm going to add that to the outer corners just to smoke it out a bit more. You can do it as smoky as you want or leave it as is.
And I'm going to take that shade as well with the flat liner brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the lash line, my upper lash line, just to smoke it out and give it the appearance of a fuller lash line without using liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to mix the two shades that I used in my crease at first, and I'm going to apply those. I'm going to apply them to my lower lash line and smoke them out a bit. Make sure they're nice and blended, and also taking that dark brown and applying that with that flat, the flat brush. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'm using I believe it's the L'Oreal Telescopic. Yeah. So just apply that to the top and bottom lashes. So I'm going to take this Sugar Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'm going to use the two bottom highlighters to highlight the high points of my face. Picture my nose, Cupid's bow. I'm also going to use the same highlighters to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to apply this NYX liquid lipstick. I will put in the description box all the names of the products that I used, since I can't remember the name and I don't have it in front of me. So yeah, and I'm going to apply this lip liner from NYX as well. This one's in the shade Mauve. I'm just going to line my lips a little bit. I realized the color was a little light for me, so I needed some lip liner. Now to top it off, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some gloss, and I'm using this one from BUXOM. This is in the shade Sugar. And then this pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys liked this video. It was a pretty easy look. I decided to just record myself as I got ready, and I like the way it looked at the end. So yeah, it's pretty easy and soft, perfect for every day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.